The 2026 KTM 1390 Super Adventure redefines what it means to be an adventure motorcycle, blending raw power with razor-sharp agility and cutting-edge technology. KTM has taken its flagship adventure bike to new heights, refining its already dominant 1290 platform into a more aggressive, more intelligent, and even more capable machine. The result is a motorcycle that not only excels in long-distance touring but also thrives on technical trails, gravel roads, and twisty mountain passes. Visually, the 1390 Super Adventure carries a strong, muscular presence, immediately identifying itself as a top-tier adventure machine. For 2026, KTM has implemented aerodynamic refinements inspired by its MotoGP efforts, including a redesigned front fairing with integrated winglets and an improved LED headlight cluster that enhances stability and lighting performance. The sharper tank shrouds and sleek body lines not only improve wind deflection but also give the bike an aggressive, ready-for-battle look. New color schemes and graphics underscore the high-performance pedigree of the machine, while the overall fit and finish reflect KTM's continued commitment to quality. At the heart of the 1390 Super Adventure lies the updated 1,350 cubic centimeters LC8 V-twin engine, which has been re-engineered for broader torque delivery, cleaner emissions, and more refined character. KTM claims a staggering 170 horsepower and over 140 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful bikes in the adventure segment. Despite its immense power, the engine is surprisingly manageable thanks to updated ride-by-wire throttle control and advanced electronic aids. The fueling is smooth, and the mid-range grunt makes overtaking and off-road climbing effortless. New engine internals and improved thermal management have also resulted in better fuel efficiency and more consistent performance under heavy loads or extreme heat. The electronics suite on the 2026 model is arguably one of the most advanced in the industry. It includes the latest generation of Bosch 6-axis IMU, cornering ABS, lean-sensitive traction control, off-road ABS, cruise control, and multiple riding modes: street, rain, sport, off-road, and rally, each customizable to suit various terrains and rider preferences. The new 7.5-inch anti-glare TFT display is intuitive and now features wireless smartphone mirroring, turn-by-turn navigation, and quick access menus, all operable via an improved multifunction joystick on the left switchgear. KTM's new connectivity app also supports route planning and bike diagnostics. Chassis-wise, KTM retains the ultra-lightweight trellis frame but has revised its geometry to offer even better weight distribution and agility. The WP Apex semi-active suspension has been upgraded to respond faster and more precisely, adjusting damping in real time to match the road surface and rider input. Whether you're attacking mountain hairpins, cruising on highways, or navigating rocky off-road sections, the 1390 adapts instantly to provide optimal comfort and control. Suspension travel remains generous, and ground clearance is more than adequate for serious trail work. The bike now also features electronically adjustable preload with auto-leveling for solo, pillion, or luggage-laden setups.